We tend to use our bands a lot because we don't have cables. But if you have access to cables and machines where you're pulling, you're able to sit down or stand up while pulling backwards, you're more than welcome to use that. And we are starting off with a lighter band for this. And this is the standing band row. So we're looping the band around this post, pulling it through, making sure that this is a very sturdy post. So this is standing and the knees are slightly bent, hips slightly bent, and we have the legs nice and firm, sitting nice and standing nice and tall through our back and our neck. So with our hands firmly grasping the band, we are attempting to pull the elbows back. So for some people, this might be an excessive amount of pulling, but even pulling your elbows just to the side of your body, it could be more than enough to activate the back. And we definitely want to keep the chest up and not let the shoulders round forward while we're doing this movement. So pulling slowly, deliberately, and pausing at the end, slowly releasing it back to the starting position. So making sure that your band isn't too old. You could check your band and pull it a little by little to see if it's fraying or there's any tears in the bands, because obviously if there are tears and you're putting this amount of tension on the band, there is a risk for it snapping off, and you might not get seriously injured, but you could get a bruise, or if it flings up into your eyes, that could be a potentially dangerous situation. So making sure that your equipment is safe. That is the standing band row.